This assessment gives us a representation of the molecular orbital picture of formaldehyde and asks us which p orbitals were used to make the pi bond. I've shown the axes here, x, y, z, coming towards you and away from you to help us answer this question. The first thing we notice, if we look at the hydrogens on carbon, they are aligned along the x-axis, but one is coming towards you and one is away from you. They're in the xz plane. The same thing is going to be true for the lone pairs on oxygen, once again in the xz plane. This suggests that both carbon and oxygen, when becoming sp2 hybridized, use the px and the pz orbitals. That leaves behind the py orbitals to make the pi bond. Note also that if we look at the direction of the p orbitals that are in the pi bond, both of them are aligned along the y-axis in the plane of the screen. That gives further evidence that it were the py orbitals that we used to make the pi bond in this representation of formaldehyde.